Here is the interface of our metal detector. It is very concise, very easy to use. 然后你调到那个界面。So you see, when you have our metal detector, you can use the auto learning function. 然后So this is the product, coffee bean. Now we do auto learning. 可以了 ，OK 。Okay, another pass. So you see auto learning ending. Now we can use the machine now to do the test. 我们先放2-3次没有那个测试块的。So this is a good product, no any contaminants. We try again. So we can see for good product there is no alarms, the light is green. And now we put the test pieces. This is 1.5 millimeter ferrous. And we check if there is alarms. Okay, so we hear alarms. That means this machine can detect 1.5 millimeter ferrous. And then we check the 1.5 millimeter non-ferrous. This is copper 1.5 millimeter. You hear alarms. Let's try again. So for non-ferrous, sensitivity is 1.5 millimeter. And this is stainless steel 304. Size is 2.0 millimeter. Okay, good. You hear alarms. Try again. Okay. So that's it. This machine has very high sensitivity and it's very easy to use. Very easy to use. Okay, thank you for watching.